Rwanda has just blasted into the future by hosting the first-ever public flight of a self-flying passenger drone on the entire African continent. And this is a complete game-changer. Imagine this. The EHang EH216-S, a sleek, futuristic eVTOL aircraft that looks like it's straight out of a Marvel movie, silently lifting off the ground, soaring to 100 meters with no pilot, just 2 passengers, and absolutely no noise or emissions. This wasn't just a test flight. This was a statement, a massive power move that solidifies Rwanda's reputation as Africa's undisputed hub for cutting-edge aviation technology. And they did it just days before the continent's biggest aviation leaders were set to arrive, for the Africa Aviation Summit. The genius behind this historic moment is a powerhouse partnership between the forward-thinking government of Rwanda, the global engineering giants China Road and Bridge Corporation, and EHang, the absolute pioneers in urban air mobility tech. This isn't just about one cool drone flight. This is about building an entire ecosystem for advanced air mobility, AI, vision for a future where our cities are no longer choked by traffic and pollution. The Minister of Infrastructure said it perfectly. Rwanda is building a future where cities are more connected and the economy is more dynamic, and this pilot flight is a live demonstration of their dedication to creating a safe, progressive regulatory environment for this new technology. And from CRBC, Director General Huang Qilin emphasized how this partnership leverages their global engineering muscle to explore the massive potential of the low-altitude economy and create new blueprints for innovative development across Africa. This thing is already a proven beast, tested extensively in Asia and the Middle East, but its debut in Africa is arguably its most significant yet. It's a fully electric, autonomous flying taxi designed for short urban hops, and its successful launch in Kigali officially puts Rwanda on the map alongside early adopters like China and the UAE. This is about so much more than just cool tech. It's about a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient future for transportation. Rwanda isn't just watching the future of aviation happen. They are actively building it, leading the charge for the entire continent and showing the world what ambition and strategic partnership can achieve. So, what do you think? Are you ready to book your ticket on a flying taxi? Drop a comment below.